In an Excel file, you can add as many fresh sheets as you want. To add a fresh sheet in an existing Excel file, you will click on this plus sign here and you will be able to find a new sheet within your Excel file. You can navigate between the sheets by clicking here, and you can go back to the new sheet by clicking here. Now in this new sheet, I will be teaching you some Excel shortcuts. So for example, you are in this particular cell and you want to navigate. What you will do is that I will just open the keyboard here to show you what I'm doing. So to move between cells, you can quickly move here by clicking on these arrow keys here. Now if you want to select a complete column, what you will do is that you will click on this control and a space bar, and it will select the complete column for you. So you will press the control, keep it pressed, and press the space bar. It will select the complete column for you, and you can perform any Excel functions that we just discussed in the last lecture. And similarly, if you want to, let us say, select a complete row, what you will do is that you will press the shift key, keep it pressed, and press the space bar, and it will select the complete row for you. Now if you have to select some specific cells, what you can do is that you will press any specific cell, and you will keep your shift key pressed and move your cursor, and this way you can select the specific cells and you can perform any function you want. And similarly, you can select a specific cell, press the shift key and keep it pressed and press it downward to select some specific cells. Now how you can quickly navigate between cells is that, let me write something. For example, say let me write 1 2 3. Let me just copy paste it in some cells to show you how I can quickly move. So I have just copy pasted. Well, how do we copy paste? Let me show you. So to copy a cell, you will see Control and C. Control C, you can copy paste. Let me do it again for you. Control and C, it will copy for you, and then you can quickly press the shift key and keep pressing the down key, and you will be able to mention Control V to paste these values in the bottom cells. Let me do it again. So let me do Control C to copy, and what I will do is that I will click here, I will press my shift key, keep it pressed, and press the bottom key to select all of these cells, and now I will do the Control V to paste all of these cells here. Alternatively, if you want to do it with your keyboard, you can just right click and you can click on copy, and then you can paste on these particular cells by right click and say paste special. Just paste. Okay, so you can also do that. I will just delete these values, so I will select all of them for now, and I will press the delete button or in my keyboard. Here it is. I will make it delete, and similarly I will delete these values as well. For now I will press delete, and similarly I will delete this one as well. So I will just showing you the navigation. So you will click here, and now what you will do is that you will press the control key, keep it pressed, and click the bottom key, and it will quickly navigate you to the most bottom value, the bottommost value on your data. So similarly, if you have data here, for example, say I will just copy and I will paste it here in the row format. So, and if you want to navigate between the row, you will press the control key, you will keep it pressed, and press the right key, you can quickly move to the right cells. So this way you can quickly move between your Excel file. And now time to add some more things here. What I will do is that I will click here and I will press the control and the space bar to select this particular column. And now what I have to do is that I have to add a complete new column. So what I will do is that I will do Control Shift and plus sign here, and you will see that Excel has added a new column here. So I will recommend you to pause the video and note these keyboard navigations along as you proceed with the course. So now let us do it again. We already have selected a column. Let's select a column again. So press the control and space bar to select a column, and now what you will do is that Control Shift and plus, and this way you have added one more column. Okay, so now time to do the same thing on row as well. We will be adding a row. So click anywhere in the sheet. Let us say click here, and or you can click here, or you can click here. I will click here. Let us select the row. How do we do that? Control and space bar and space bar. Shift and space bar, and it has selected the complete row for you. Now you have to add a row. You will do the same thing again, Control Shift and plus, and it will be adding the rows. So Control Shift plus is the key function to add a row or a column. And if you have to select a row, for example, say select a row, what you will do is that shift and the space bar. And if you have to select a column, for example this one, what you will do is that control and space bar. So you can quickly select a column, you can quickly select a row, you can quickly add a row, add a column, and you can also navigate between consistent cells. So if you want to move from this cell to the bottom one, you can move, but if you want to come directly to this one, that is not possible. So if I click here and I press control, keep it pressed, and press the bottom key, you will come here. You will have to come down manually, and then you can again do it control and bottom key, down key to come here. So this way you can quickly navigate between your Excel file.